My name is Nathan Eskeu, and I have a background in business, supply chain, data analytics, and artificial intelligence. I've worked throughout aerospace in the US with NASA, Raytheon, Northrop Grumman, and I'm now an associate professor of AI in manufacturing at TU Delft in the Netherlands. What inspires me is the promise that anything is available to us if we are willing to put in the time and effort to make it happen. Our moonshot idea stems from the fact that we have to get to emissions-free aircraft by 2050, and based on our current processes, we just can't do it. And the core reason we can't do it is because we don't have this concept called the digital thread, where each of our manufacturing and design processes, we can't pull the data from each process right now. There are many different breaks in the system. So we're essentially patching those and creating a new system where we can keep that data whole at each step. And the reason we care about that is instead of this 15-year design process for creating a new aircraft, if we have all of those things in place, we can drastically cut down the time and even be able to optimize our factory. I think a new mindset is needed when it comes to carbon emissions, simply because we've been working on this problem for decades, but we haven't made drastic improvements. So we need these radical new ideas that can be cultivated and shown that they can work. With EIT manufacturing, it's incredible what it's done so far with looking at bridging that final gap between academic achievements and research and getting it to a usable manufacturing level where it's in the market. With the moonshot, it gives people a chance to say, here's my roadmap, which really is a series of traditional EIT manufacturing steps, but let me tell you where I want to go. A changemaker has to have a voracious appetite for not being satisfied with their current knowledge they have.